Ever missed the perfect shot because you couldn't reach the shutter button? Whether you're capturing epic group selfies, stunning night shots, or ultra-steady long exposures, a remote shutter can completely transform your Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra Photography. In this video, I'll reveal the top 3 best remote shutters that make snapping photos effortless. Stay tuned because these gadgets will elevate your mobile photography game. And hey, if you like what you see, check out the links in the description to grab yours. Let's dive in. On number 3 is ATUMTEK Bluetooth 5.2. Ever struggle to get the perfect shot without touching your phone? The ATUMTEK Bluetooth 5.2 remote shutter changes the game for Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra photography. With zero-lag connectivity, you get an instant response. No more frustrating delays when capturing that perfect moment. This compact and portable remote fits right in your pocket, making it ideal for group selfies, long exposure shots, and hands-free vlogging. Plus, its 210 mAh battery lasts for over 200 clicks, so you won't worry about it dying mid-shoot. With a 10-meter range, you can frame your shots creatively without touching your phone. Whether you're a content creator or just love next-level photography, this remote is a must-have. Hit the link in the description and upgrade your Galaxy S25 Ultra photography today. Would you use this for your photos? Let me know. At number 2 is zttopo wireless phone camera remote control compatible. Ever wished you could take the perfect selfie or group shot without touching your phone? Meet the zttopo wireless camera remote, the ultimate tool for Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra photography. This tiny yet powerful Bluetooth remote works seamlessly with Android and iOS, letting you snap photos or record videos hands-free, even on Instagram and Snapchat. With an impressive 10-meter range, you can set up creative shots from a distance, perfect for group photos, vlogs, or long exposure night shots. It's so small and lightweight you can clip it to your keychain and carry it anywhere. Whether you're a pro photographer or just love capturing memories, this remote is a must-have for your Galaxy S25 Ultra setup. Grab yours through the link in the description. What's your go-to camera accessory? Let me know. Now moving to the last one is KAMISAFE wireless camera remote shutter. Ever struggled to take the perfect shot without awkwardly reaching for your phone? The KAMISAFE wireless camera remote shutter is here to level up your Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra photography with hands-free perfection. With a simple Bluetooth connection, this remote lets you capture stunning selfies, steady tripod shots, or epic group photos up to 10 meters away. No more shaky hands or weird angles, just pure creativity at your fingertips. Plus, it remembers your device, so no need to repair every time. It's lightweight, ultra-portable, and clips onto your keychain, making it the perfect travel companion. Whether you're a content creator or just love capturing memories, this must-have gadget makes snapping photos effortless. Ready to upgrade your photography game? Grab yours now through the link in the description. What's your go-to photography trick? Let me know. So guys, this was the video about the top 3 remote shutters for Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra photography. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.